about jet flying, limo riding, kiss stealing, wheeling and dealing, son of a gun! Woo!
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents. Be at the Christmas tree.
Good morning, you guys. It is Sunday. It is Vlogmas Day 10. Oh, that's exciting. We have 15 more days to go. But for today's day, we are going to a Saints game. I'm going with my cousins and her family, and we're gonna have a good time. As you can see, I have my shirt on representing my team. Of course, I am a Saints fan all the way. Point blank, period. Okay. I have that on. I have my my hoodie on from Washington, and then I have my Timbs on, my baby Timbs, and then some gold earrings, of course, to represent. We're about to head out because the game starts for 12. The game starts for 12? Mm-hmm. So the game starts for 12, but we have to leave early because, again, I live an hour away from the city. So, yeah, that's fun. Yeah. But that's pretty much it for the day. If you haven't done so already, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't done so, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to click that like button and then comment down below what else you want to see for this channel. If you are new here, what's poppin', what's good, how you doing? But without further ado, I will see y'all once we get to the game.
Touchback. Saints will have a first and 10 from the 25-yard line.
Come on.
Who you throwing it to? Yeah! 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 Let's go!
Thank you so much for everybody knows New Orleans has the best high school marching bands in the country. And you're going to see two right now. It is time for Battle of the Bands. Let's meet our squads.
We're back in the car from the game. Of course, Dirty Birds lost. That was kind of obvious. You know, it was a good game. Almost lost my voice for a minute, but it's all good. Moran, how you think? What you think of it?
It was good. I thought we could have did better though.
Yeah. I wish we had more touchdowns, but it's all good. But overall, good game. If I go to another one, I would. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Y'all, as soon as I got home, I just went straight to my bed. I was so tired after that game. Because why it took us an hour to leave the parking lot because, you know, of traffic and everybody leaving from the game. And, like, it was crazy. It was crazy. But I dropped my cousin off by her grandmother, so she's gone. I'm gonna miss her. I'm gonna miss her. But I'm just happy that she enjoyed the weekend with me. Can't wait for it again. I honestly can't wait for another Saints game if I ever go to one more one day, because that was really fun. That was actually my first Saints game, and I loved every moment of it. I think I lost my voice again. If you couldn't tell, I am 100% Saints fan all the way. I don't care what you say about my team. I'm a step with them. I'm ride or die with them. Point blank, period. Like I said, as soon as I went back home, went straight to my bed. I was tired. And then it's the crazy part that it's still nighttime. I thought it was the morning time. That's how tired I was, bruh. But other than that, thank y'all for watching. That was pretty much it. I didn't do anything else. I just went to the game. I wish I could have captured more moments, but hey, good enough. Am I right? I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you are a Saints fan, we won, baby. If you were a dirty bird, get out. Get out. Ew. It took y'all years to get to the points that y'all had. It's okay, though. Y'all got next time. Nah, but it's all good love over here. But, yay. So if y'all haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit that like button. And then comment down below what else you want to see for this channel. Or comment down below what's your favorite football team. If you're into football, are you a Saints fan? Are you a Falcon fan? Are you a Steelers fan? Whatever. What else? And if you're new here, yep. If you're new here, what's poppin'? What's good? How y'all doing? So, yeah, guys. I'm going to catch y'all later. I'm going to go in the kitchen because my mama cooked some white beans. Sounds so good right about now. I'm going to go check that out. And I will see y'all later. Deuces.